Mastering polite requests in English. Could you help me? Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common and important phrase. Could you help me? This simple question is a cornerstone in polite English communication, and understanding its use is key to improving your conversational skills. Let's explore how and when to use this phrase effectively in various situations. Could you help me is a polite way of asking for assistance. It's formed by using the modal verb, could, which is the past tense of can. However, when we use it to ask for help, it doesn't refer to the past. Instead, it softens the request, making it more polite and less direct than simply saying, "Can you help me?" Key points. Politeness. Using could makes your request sound more courteous. Flexibility. This phrase can be used in almost any situation where you need assistance. Understanding how to use "Could you help me?" in context is crucial. Here are a few scenarios where this phrase might come in handy. 1. At a store, "Could you help me find the dairy products?" 2. In the workplace, "Could you help me with this report?" 3. Among friends, "Could you help me move this weekend?" Variations to add specificity. Adding, "Please," for extra politeness. "Could you help me, please?" Being specific about the kind of help. "Could you help me with my English homework?" Knowing how to respond to someone asking for help is just as important as knowing how to ask. Here are some polite ways to respond. If you can help, "Sure, I'd be happy to help." If you cannot help, "I'm sorry, I can't help right now." Maybe try asking another person's name. Tips for responding. Always be polite and considerate, regardless of whether you can assist. If you can't help, offering an alternative is a thoughtful response. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use and respond to "Could you help me?" in English. This phrase is a key tool in your language learning journey, making your requests polite and your interactions smoother. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations will greatly improve your conversational skills. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language tips. See you in the next video.